Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to solve the Codeforces problem called Tram, which asks us to find the minimum capacity the tram needs to avoid being overloaded. Let's dive into the problem and solve it with Python. The tram problem goes like this. A tram stops at several stations, and at each station, some passengers exit while others enter. We need to calculate the minimum capacity the tram should have so that it never exceeds its limit, based on the maximum number of passengers on board at any point. To solve this, we'll keep track of the number of passengers after each station stop. We'll start with an empty tram, and for each station, we'll subtract the number of passengers that exit and add the number that enter. Each time, we'll check if the current number of passengers is the highest we've seen so far, and if it is, we'll update our maximum. Let's now write the code. Here's how we'll implement this logic step by step. First, we'll read the total number of stations with the input function and store it in number of stations. Next, we'll initialize two variables, current_passengers, to keep track of the current number of passengers on the tram, and max_passengers to track the maximum number of passengers at any point. Now, we'll loop through each station to get the number of passengers exiting and entering. We'll use input split to read both values in a single line, and map int to convert them into integers. In each iteration, we update current_passengers by subtracting those who exit and adding those who enter. After updating current_passengers, we check if it's the highest number we've encountered so far. If it is, we update max_passengers to keep track of it. Once we finish the loop, max_passengers will hold the minimum tram capacity required. We'll print this as our answer. And that's it. We've successfully solved the problem. By keeping track of passengers as they enter and exit, we found the minimum tram capacity to avoid any overloads. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming tutorials. See you in the next video.